power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab in diamond black crystal pearl. With black headlamp bezels, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 21,000 miles in the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, Ram box cargo management system, 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number 90783B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.